Propeller assembly removal and shaft cleaning is a crucial part of your vacuum maintenance and should be done at least once each working week. Shaft debris buildup can overload the motor, lead to shaft seal failure, and can destroy the motor's watertight seal. Soft debris, like hair and plant fibers, can build up around the prop shaft during normal use. Hard debris, like sticks and stones, can dent and ding the prop, making the edges rough. A roughened prop will snag leaves and softer debris, can make the motor spin slower, and will drain more power from the battery. The prop assembly consists of 3 parts: the prop nut, and the prop pin. To remove the prop, follow these steps. Find the prop nut in the center of the prop. Hold the prop with one hand and turn the prop nut counterclockwise until you can remove it. Remove the prop and pull out the prop pin. Do not lose the pin. Clear any debris from the prop shaft. With the prop removed, sharpen the leading edge of each blade with a file or knife. A sharpened prop will spin more efficiently, move more water through the vacuum head, and will snag fewer plant fibers and leaves. A cracked prop can cause the motor to vibrate and should be replaced. To put the prop back on the motor, first put the pin back into the prop shaft. Make sure that the prop and the pin are fully engaged, finding the groove in the bottom of the prop. Tighten the prop by hand. Using a tool can make the prop hard to remove. The prop should not rock or tilt. Remember to make prop removal and inspection a weekly part of your maintenance routine. For more information, visit us at hammerheadvac.com or call